As you can see, in Java, everything is an object. What does that mean? Well, that means that everything is a method in terms of the functions that we deal with in Java. So we know, or we should know, that methods are functions that are attached to a class, right? So what does that mean? That means that since everything is a class, like in this case in main, well, we have these methods, right? Well, they're basically functions. They get attached, they belong to this class main, and so they're really methods now, technically, because they're functions that belong to this main class. So same thing here. This say good morning method or function, right? It's really a method technically. Why? Because it belongs to this main class. So this is a quick little video just to highlight the obvious, maybe not, but in Java, every method, well, every function is a method. So everything is a method, right? Because we deal with classes from the get-go, from the very beginning. Even to start our entry point to the program, which we know is public static void main, well, even that has to be in a class. So therefore, that is a method. I hope this makes sense.